The incredible egg unlocking its health benefits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about one of our favorite breakfast foods, eggs. Not only are they delicious and versatile, but eggs are also a nutritional powerhouse that can provide a range of health benefits when consumed on a regular basis. So, let's dive in and explore the many benefits of eating eggs every day. First and foremost, eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein. In fact, eggs are one of the few foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need to function properly. Eating eggs can help you feel fuller for longer, which can reduce overall calorie intake and aid in weight loss. Additionally, protein is important for building and repairing tissues in our body, making eggs a great choice for athletes and active individuals. Another key nutrient found in eggs is choline, which is essential for brain and nervous system function. Choline plays a critical role in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is involved in memory and learning. Research suggests that choline intake may also be linked to a lower risk of age-related cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Eggs are also a rich source of vitamins and minerals that are essential for overall health. For example, they contain vitamin D, which is important for bone health and immune function. Vitamin D helps our bodies absorb calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Additionally, vitamin D has been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, as well as depression and anxiety. Eggs are also a great source of antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds help protect our eyes from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Studies have shown that consuming foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin may help reduce the risk of these eye conditions. Finally, eggs are a convenient and affordable food that can be prepared in many ways. Whether boiled, fried, or scrambled, eggs are a versatile ingredient that can be added to a variety of dishes for a quick and easy meal. They can be enjoyed on their own, added to salads or sandwiches, or used as a base for omelets or frittatas. So, there you have it, the many benefits of eating eggs every day. From their high protein content to their rich nutrient profile, eggs are a superfood that can help support a healthy and balanced diet. As with any food, it's important to enjoy eggs in moderation as part of a well-rounded diet. So, if you're looking for a simple and nutritious way to start your day, consider adding an egg or two to your breakfast routine. If you found this video informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your thoughts on eggs. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.